Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today, we will walk you through the ultimate net worth tracker spreadsheet. If you haven't grabbed your copy yet, you can get instant access through the link in the description below, so you can start tracking your net worth, assets, and liabilities right away. Before we move forward, I want to mention that some tabs are protected to keep the formulas safe and working correctly. If you ever try to make changes in one of these tabs, you'll see a warning pop-up appear. At that point, you can simply check the box, then click OK to proceed with editing, or press Cancel if you don't want to make changes. Now let's move over to the Setup tab. First, choose your preferred currency, as this will be used across all values, calculations, and dashboards to keep everything consistent. Next, add your name, which will personalize the tracker. Finally, set your net worth goal, which will act as your financial target and be used to measure your progress over time. Once these details are filled in, the tracker will automatically use them throughout the spreadsheet. Now, let's move to the Accounts Log tab. This is where you enter all your account details, and it serves as the main data source for the entire tracker. Start by adding the date, then enter the account name. Select the account type from the pre-filled dropdown and input the institution. Based on your selections, the asset or liability classification will be filled automatically, along with the exclude option. You can also add a short note if needed for extra clarity. All the data you enter here will be applied across the tracker, powering your dashboards and reports. In the same tab, you'll find the Sort and Filter section, which automatically pulls and organizes your data. Simply choose your filter options from the drop-downs at the top, select how you want the data sorted, and everything will update instantly to display exactly what you need. Now let's move to the Opening Balances Log tab. This is where you set your starting financial position. Begin by entering the year, then choose the account type from the drop-down, and add a short description for clarity. The asset or liability classification will be filled automatically based on your selection. Finally, enter the balance amount for each entry. These opening balances will be applied automatically across the tracker, ensuring all calculations and reports start from an accurate baseline. Now let's move to the Asset Tracker tab. This tab is fully automated and pulls all its data directly from the related tabs, so there's no manual input needed here. Simply choose the year from the dropdown, or select all years if you want a complete overview. Your asset categories are already organized, and the data is displayed month by month in a clean and easy-to-read layout, giving you a clear view of how your assets evolve over time. The Liability Tracker tab works exactly the same way, but focuses on your liabilities instead. Now, let's go back to the Dashboard tab. This tab is fully automated and gives you a complete overview of your finances. Simply choose the year from the drop-down, and all the data will be populated instantly. Here, you'll see your full net worth overview, including growth over time, asset and liability allocation breakdown, progress toward your goal, and a detailed accounts breakdown, all presented in a clear and visual format. And that wraps up our complete walkthrough of the Ultimate Net Worth Tracker. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.